Welcome back in this English question answer session third. It belongs to class 4, lesson 5, named The Stone Cutter, page number 38. Let us enjoy it. Question number C1. Do you think that wealth can buy happiness? Why and why not? Answer. No. Wealth cannot buy happiness. In fact, happiness is the product of perfect knowledge, caring, sharing, and mutual purity. Question C2. Imagine yourself in the place of the stonecutter. Which wish of yours would you have asked the mountain spirit to grant? Answer. If I imagine myself at the place of the stonecutter, then I might have wished to be a topper of my class. Now learn words. Form nouns from the given verbs and complete the sentences using them. Given suffixes are meant, ans, or, an, or, ens. First, the new company has signed the dash. Here you need to make noun by adding the needed suffix, choosing from this given group of suffixes, and given word is agree. Consequently, it becomes the new company has signed the agreement. So you needed to use the suffix meant with agreement, that is agree plus meant. Consequently, the word became the agreement. So your answer is the new company has signed the agreement. So is the case with rest of the examples. See, question number 2. Mr. Abhay was appointed the dash of the organization, and given word is direct, so it will become Mr. Abhay was appointed the director of the organization. You can underline it. Or in order to show your answer, you can highlight it with the help of your highlighter also. It is better to underline with the help of pen or pencil. Third, Deepak will fall short of his dash, given word is attend. Here it will become Deepak will fall short of his attendance. So you need to underline the word attendance, or in this way. Next, there is a good dash of books in our school library. Given word is collect. So it will become there is a good collection of books in our school library. Here you need to underline collection. Fifth, some dash are required in this matter. Given word is act. So it will become some actors are required in this matter. Now come to learn more through successive question answer. This is a very interesting question belonging to phrasal verbs, page number 39. We join a verb with an adverb or a preposition to make a phrasal verb. A phrasal verb has a completely different meaning from the words formed. For example, or exemplification, the phrasal verb chipped away means to gradually remove something to make it smaller. On the basis of phrasal verbs, this group has been prescribed in your book. Just watch, listen and note it down accordingly. For your sake of simplicity, it has been matched just straightforward. Match the phrasal verbs with their meanings. Phrasal verb, call back. Call back means to return a phone call. So you need to match it directly, straightforward. Second, back up. It means to move backwards. Carry out means to do something as planned. Fourth, get away means to escape. And make fun of means to laugh at. In this way, you need to answer given questions, must note it down, get checked, and practice properly for coming exam. Thanks for watching. See you in next class with new solution. If you need the next video, then must comment in comment box. Please send the next video belonging to so and so page number.